Wanna know how to make an eclipse in Java? So we're going to be doing something cool today, making an eclipse. So we need to simply use loops right here. So in this code right here, as you can see, we have used a for loop that has two nests, so that is j and k. So I'm just going to show you how it works, and we are going to create it by using the asterisk head. Using loop, we can create a triangular pattern first, and the outer loop controls the rows and the inner loop manages spacing and the number of stars. By combining spaces and stars carefully, we form the top half of an eclipse. You can even expand this code to create a full diamond or oval shapes. This is a fun exercise to practice loops and pattern printing as well. So I'm just going to show you by running this code. Eclipse should be printed. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.